Yo guys, what's up? It's me, Cooper, and today, I got 2 Stellar Crowns and a whole Elite Trainer box of Obsidian Flames. So let's get opening it. Yes. How's your guys' day today? Mine's going well. Went out with my mom, got some cards, and I got paid today, which is great. I'm still looking for those chase cards, the Bulbasaur and the Venusaur auto art. And let's hope these 2 packs give me something. I hope. Pancham, Duon, Pergoli, Torgato, Slowking, Jarkita, Electrive, a reverse hollow, a creamy, and we got a Rabu alt art, and a Rabu alt art. Yep, that's basically. Unfortunately, we already have this card, but you know, it's nice to pull it again. Why not? Might be worth something. I do not know why my phone is not focusing. My phone doesn't want to focus today. Alright. Alright. Glameow, Charterbug, Hoot Hoot, Grubbin. Stop. Vikavolt, Dancy, sorry about that in the background, that's just my dog. Slowking, a reverse hollow Grubbin, a reverse hollow Impidimp, and a Gridnaw. So we got 1 hit, but not the chase cards, that's okay. Let's open this whole ETB. Let's just get these out of the way real quick. Maybe next time that I'll probably get something. Yeah, so wow, Obsidian Flames. I've not opened this in forever since I opened that whole ETB, and I got a lot of good hits out of it. So let's just hope I get something good out of this Elite Trainer box of Obsidian Flames. All right. So we got our packs. And then we should get our promo. Yup, here it is. It's not the exclusive one, because the exclusive one's going for a lot more money than this one, sadly. But that's okay. It's still a pretty cool card. It's all around Charizard. I like it. I wish my camera would focus. But no, it won't. We got our sleeves, but I'm not going to use them. Yeah, that's basically it. Alright, let's open these packs up. I guess the cards I'm still chasing is that $40 card Charizard, or the rest of the alt arts. Maybe the Greta's alt art. That's kind of one I'm still trying to chase, I guess. I'm not really sure. Clefairy, Caps Kid, Town Store, Cross Snort. I know this set isn't really that popular, but I just wanted the promo. Pidgeotto, Dragonar, Alvolba, a reverse hollow Chandelier, a reverse hollow Chubchoo. Ooh, and we got the Charizard, full art. A nice first hit. I actually have this card already, but who cares? I pulled it. So that's still good. Also, I'm just gonna put the hits right here. Alright. We still got more packs to go, so it won't be that bad. Yeah, sorry about that. She just kind of whines. Buzzle, Bow Sweet, Magnemite, Larvesta, Pokemon League Headquarters, Loonstone, Tarnia, Reverse Hollow Stunfisk, Reverse Hollow Varoom, and a Scizor. So our first non-hollow. Which is alright. I've had worse. I have worse hit rates than just Obsidian Flames. Those Obsidian Flames could be like a mid-set or not. Togepi, Boltzly. I don't know, people are saying it's mid, but probably it is? I'm not really sure. Tabpole, Team Grunt, Arita, Maui, Reverse Hollow Pidgeotto, Reverse Hollow Oddish, and a Thunderous Rare. Alright. Let's go Obsidian. Give us something. Rowlett, Bombly, Small V, Pidgey, Lycanroc, Probopass, Vengeful Punch, Reverse Hollow Thunderous, Reverse Hollow Toadcruel, and a Claydol. Man, this is painful already. We're not getting any hits yet. I mean, we did get that one hit, but still waiting for the other. Circuit, Numel, Grivard, Temo, Balfolet, Crabmolo, Kingabit, a Reverse Hollow Flamingo, a Reverse Hollow Sandident, and a Toxtricity. This feels kind of freshly printed. I don't know. Girl. Sweetie. Stop. Please. Alright. Combi, Varoom, Larvetter, Clefable, Starmie, Espeon. I cannot pull these cards. Sharpedo. Wait. Girl. Stop. Please. Wait. Reverse Hollow Wake Trio. And there we have it. We pulled the... we pulled the Charizard EX. The full art. I think this is an alt art. I'm not really sure. That's crazy. I'm not really surprised. I'm sorry. I just had a feeling I was going to pull it out of here, and I actually did. Which is mega, mega crazy. Because I was not expecting to pull this card. But we still got like 3 packs to go, so we got this. Sorry about that. Alright, Platrump, Vulpix. I cannot pull these. It's like I got a hit. Froakie, Jarmeka, Oikoloinge, Letter of Encouragement. Whoops. Clutch Chandelier, a Reverse Hollow Solrock, a Reverse Hollow Drill Bar, and a Togekiss Rare. Alright. 2 more packs to go. Come on. Give us an alt art or just something better. I don't care. Since I pulled the ultra hit of this set, anything's fine, honestly. Bless me. Bless me again, sorry. Encray, Toadcruel, Houndour, Tabulb, Linroom, Darmitria, Dartrix, a Reverse Hollow Umbreon, a Reverse Hollow Frogadier, and a Palmet EX. Nice. Second to last hit, and actually it's a cute one. I like it. Try not to spend so much this 2 weeks. I want to get more money, and I don't want to be very greedy. Last pack magic. Also, I'm sorry I'm not showing the code cards. I'm sorry. I forgot to do it. All right. Bulzul, Bounce Sweet. Also, Sweetie's okay. She's tired. We just got home, and like she's very excited. Magnemite, Larvesta, Patrol Crab, Beltsmoy, Pokemon League Headquarters, Reverse Hollow Metan, Reverse Hollow Numble, and a Palafin to end us off. And there you have it. We got, I think it was 5 hits, including the promo. It's not bad, and we actually pulled the chase card. That's crazy. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.